It's a new phone, I don't know what to do. Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to give you an awesome tricep stretch that is just an exercise, but it's how you do it. So you'll probably know tricep extension, and the way that a lot of people will do it is they'll hold an arm behind their head and they'll go like this whenever they're doing it. So it's a great exercise anyway, but if you alter it so that you're in an overhead position, so the bar or the dumbbell is above your head, lock everything in as tight as you can, and then bring the dumbbell down as far as you can, and let that start to actually stretch your tricep and your lat all the way down, and then bring it up from there. Do reps like that, really slow and controlled with a light weight. That's the secret to it. So lighter weight and aim to get that stretch. If you're going heavy, you will probably cut yourself short about there, so you're not going to get that stretch. You want to get lighter weight and go right the way down as low as you can, and even try and reach a bit further as well. And then do that for, let's go for 5 sets of 10. See how that makes you feel, test your front rack position or whatever it is afterwards, and see how you get on.